Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to take off back panel from Dell P2419H monitor. These are quite newer models and it doesn't have much of a bezel on the front side and from the back side, and you can just need to take these 4 screws off. This is a mountable monitor, so this is 100 by 100 millimeter. So if you want to mount this monitor, you can mount it. So I'm going to show you today how to take the bezel off, back panel off. So just unscrew them 4 screws. So once the screws are out, now there's no other screws attached to it. You just need a flathead screwdriver or any sharp plastic thing. Like these ones, any sharp plastic things, so that you can just pull it off. So I'm gonna use this. Just be careful when you're the front is open, so I'm gonna do this all round. Just be careful, these plastics are not very strong. That's it, all the back panel has come off. Now if you want to change the Bluetooth, this is the Bluetooth, and this is the, it's not attached to anything, it's just lying there. If you just unplug this will come off. And if you want to change the motherboard, you can just change it. Or if you want to change the Bluetooth, so just unscrew this and this Bluetooth will come off. USB. Now we're gonna put this back panel back on. Just gently push and it will go in place. But make sure you put the monitor in flat surface so that screen doesn't get damaged. Now this is done. I'm gonna put the screws back in. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.